Alright, so I'm heading to shop to get my car wrapped in paint protection film. So I'm not going to have my car for about 5 days, I think. And because of that, I'm going to be riding my electric unicycle again or driving my friend's car around depending on what I need to do. And we'll see. But anyways, you can see where we're going. Probably read on the screen there. That's the store I'm taking it to. I'm gonna have it paint protected with the matte Stealth Xpel paint protection film. Okay. Well, I don't have to, but I'm gonna change around some settings on it just to reduce risk of anything happening to the car. I'm gonna maybe set some speed limits and stuff on it or something. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see how it goes, because I'm not sure if I can set the speed limit for the card I'm just going to give them, or how it will work, because I haven't really messed around with that feature yet. And then we'll see like what the odometer reading is, so hopefully they're not just driving it all around the place. I mean, they have plenty of cars they work on, so I don't think they would do that, but just to be safe, just to check. Alright, I'm kind of curious if they do move it around. I mean, they'll be working on probably multiple cars in the time that my car's over there, so we'll see what happens. Now they're gonna have to do a deep clean on my car. I don't know if they're gonna do like somehow if they're able to fix the orange peel effect on the paint, because there is a lot of that. Oops. I would assume that the wrap, especially since it's going to be matte, will kind of make that less visible, but we'll find out. I don't know what they do on it, if they're going to do stuff if there's something they can do about that or not, but yeah, if not, it is what it is. And yeah, we'll see you guys when we get closer to there. Alright, so we're getting there.
Now turn right onto Christie Street.
All the Teslas being delivered. Alright, I'm gonna have to find out where they want me to park my car.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Albry Street.
Okay, we're going to be turning into here.
Now turn right onto Albry Street.
Alright. Gonna miss you, car. Let's see. Alright. We'll see you guys when we're actually like over there, because we still got a bit more to drive. You can see there's another truck full of Teslas over there. So, yeah, there's a lot. This street, usually they'll have like all these trucks here with a bunch of Teslas on them every so often. But I don't know, they have all this stuff everywhere, so I don't know what these trucks are storing. Might all be parts for Tesla, because the Tesla factory is actually really close to here. Right, anyways, we're pretty much about there, so I'll pause this and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so we're just about here. I'll be turning left soon. Let me see. I forget which one it was. There's so many. It might be this
Now
one.
your destination is on the left.
Okay, there's so many cars. Let's wait for them. Yep, there it is. And we're here, so for now I'm just gonna park, and then I'm gonna see what I can do for setting stuff. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, now we got all this glare on here, so I can't see. Anyways, we've got all of these. I do need to change the lock thing, so I'm going to change it to chill so they don't accidentally hit the pedal and it starts like crash into a wall or something. Charging mode, I don't need to change anything there. Autopilot, don't need to change. Okay, locks. We'll change the driver door unlock mode so that way it unlocks all the doors for them to work on. Okay, lights, I don't care. Display shouldn't be an issue with anything. Lights, nothing. Trips, okay. So you can see the odometer, 245 miles. Okay. I can actually reset trip A, and then we'll just use that as a way to kind of see if they moved it, how efficient. I mean, since they're going to be just moving it back and forth, it's probably not going to be very efficient. Okay, navigation, safety stuff. I want mobile access. Okay. Speed limit mode. Oh, what is this? Sentry mode on, good. Dash cam on, honk, good. Wait, what's the auto one? Okay, we'll leave it at auto. On, honk is on. Park assist chimes, security alarm. Pin to drive, glove box pin. They shouldn't need anything with a glove box, but there's nothing in there, so that's fine. Cabin overheat, no. Service. Here you go. The wheels are 43 psi, 42 psi. Software. Okay, I think that should be fine. Alright, I'm gonna get out and I'll talk with the guy and I'll see you guys later. Also, I brought my electric unicycle, if I didn't mention it already, and I'm gonna be riding that home because I didn't want to wake my friend up to come drive me home, or yeah, follow me, so that's fine. Alright. So when I see this car next, it's gonna be all matte wrapped, I think. Let's see. Okay, that's fine. I probably should have checked, because if any of these headlights get like the condensation in it, it's gonna be wrapped. So yeah. Alright. I'll see you guys later.